Apple Rubber engineers use a number of mold-making machines to produce customized, high-quality molds. Our molding capabilities rely on sophisticated processes, advanced rubber processing machines, and quality tooling to produce molded rubber products for countless industries. Our advanced molding techniques include compression, transfer, and rubber injection molding. Each molding technique offers unique benefits that help deliver exactly what you need. When low-volume orders with reduced lead times are required, our engineers turn to compression molding machines. Compression molding offers cost-effective tooling, easy prototyping, and short lead times. Apple Rubber's compression molds are capable of producing the widest range of part sizes, from 0.02 inches to 20 inches in diameter. When customers need thin-walled molds or complex shapes with quick turnaround times, we rely on transfer molding to deliver the speed and results their applications need. Transfer molds contain cavity stacks, which act like single-cavity tooling in a multi-cavity pot. Due to the rapid transfer of heat to rubber, transfer molds have a shorter cycle time than compression molds, as well as design flexibility, sharper edges, and less flash from cavity stack control. For an easily repeatable, cost-effective molding option, our engineers turn to rubber injection molding. While this process is more complex than compression or transfer molding, it provides excellent benefits such as minimizing raw material contamination and reducing material waste. Rubber injection molding presses can be fully automated, which reduces labor costs and maximizes efficiency. No matter how specific your requirements may be, Apple Rubber's in-house molding capabilities guarantee a high-quality part, easy customizations, and short lead times. For more information, visit our manufacturing capabilities page and subscribe to our newsletter for all the information you need to know about our manufacturing capabilities.